Hey guys, this is Taylor here with Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Ford F-550 full crew cab, 6.7 power stroke, 4-wheel drive, right under 50,000 miles on it. Really nice setup here. It's got an IMT Dominator bed. The entire bed was just professionally refinished, sandblasted and repainted. Bed shows like new, a 3820 series crane, and an IMT hydraulic PTO driven compressor, and hydraulic outriggers. So the goal of these videos is to show you everything you'd want to see about the truck if you were here looking at it yourself in person. So if there's anything you want more up close pictures, photos, videos, information on, feel free to call or text us at 804-716-8487. We do offer commercial financing through a lending partner, and we can ship anywhere in the United States. I'm gonna go through the first portion of this video and just go through the bed very thoroughly, show you inside of all the bins, all the doors closing, latching. Later on in the video we'll do a drive, and then I'll get into the crane demo. So if you're just waiting on the crane, feel free to skip ahead to that portion. Right now I'm just gonna go through every bin in the service body. And again, if there's anything I go too fast over, you need more pictures of, feel free to call or text. Obviously no chips or scratches on the bed, as it's just been refinished. New bed liner just applied to the rear bumper and inside the bed as well. It's a 2-stage hydraulic extension on the crane, 3820 series, so 7,500 pound maximum capacity, 20'9" max boom reach. It's run off a wireless Cartech aftermarket controller. The controller and receiver are brand new. A little bit of surface rust along the inner seam. Pretty common thing we see on these IMT beds. Not structural in any way, not poking through, but definitely one to just something to point out. Once I get through the bed here, I'll crawl underneath the truck as well and just shoot some videos underneath there. You got your remote, your hose reel, and your control panel. Tow hitch receiver. This is all we buy and sell, so if you're looking for something similar, just with different specs, feel free to call or text us anytime. 804, shelf just needs to be set back up, 716-8487. We get these trucks in on a daily basis, so just let us know what you're looking for and we can certainly find it. Nice full set of drawers there. And just some more shelving in this compartment. Cab of the truck is clean, no rips or tears, really no dents or dings in the cab either to speak of. Power locks, power windows, cruise control, cloth seats, rubber floors. Factory exhaust brake there. There's your four-wheel drive. Brand new Parker PTO. Two sets of keys for the truck and one key for the toolboxes. All right, let's get into the drive and the crane demonstration. Once again, it's a 2019 Ford F-550, just under 50,000 miles. IMT 7,500 pound crane, compressor, 11-foot service body, 4-wheel drive, diesel. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. Thanks so much for watching.